Hello students, let's today discuss about the structure of neuron. In the previous lecture, we have discussed that coordination and control in animals takes place with the help of two systems, nervous system and endocrine system. Nervous system is mainly composed of brain and spinal cord. Entire nervous system is mainly made up of a type of cells which are known as nerve cells, or they are also known as neuron. So neurons are the morphologically and physiologically units of nervous system, because they are providing structure as well as they are providing function to the nervous system. So let's discuss. Mainly the neuron is composed of three parts. The cytone. This is the cytone which you can see. The cytone is also known as cell body or soma. These are the alternative names for cytone. The second important component of neuron is dendrites. And the third important component is axon. So let's discuss briefly about these parts. Cytone is the main part of the neuron, which consists of a nucleus in the center and some nasal granules. These nasal granules are actually rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is synthesizing proteins here with the help of ribosomes. Ribosomes, we know, they are known as protein factories, and they are forming proteins here, and they are providing the proteins for the functioning of cytone. Next, dendrites. Dendrites are finger-like projections. They can be one to many, as you can see. They are coming out of the cytone. They are finger-like projections, and their main function is to take or to receive stimuli from the neighboring neurons. So a million of neurons are present in our bodies, and these neurons are communicating with each other with the help of these dendrites or finger-like projections. The third part is axon. As you can see that axon is the very long and extending part from cytone. It is extending from cytone and it is very long. This is axon, and the important function of axon is to take the electric impulse which is generated by the cytone, and it is carrying this electric impulse to the end of the neuron. From here, the electric impulse or the electric signals will be provided to the next neuron. The axon ending or the terminal knobs which are present over here, they are connected with the dendrites of the next neuron. And these electric signals, when they will be provided to the next neuron, they will be provided with the help of some chemicals. These chemicals are known as neurotransmitters. One more important thing, students, you can see that externally this axon is covered by a sheath or a covering. This sheath by which the axon is covered externally is known as myelin sheath. And at some points or at some areas, the axon is not having any of the sheath. So these points or areas where no myelin sheath is present are known as nodes of Ranvier. This is also known as non-myelinated sheath. So what is the basic difference between myelin sheath and non-myelin sheath? The basic difference is the myelin sheath never loses the electric impulse. It means it is very rapidly carrying the electric impulse. But the areas where no myelin sheath is present or node of Ranvier, this is carrying the electric impulse slowly. One more important thing, that this axon, which is the longest fiber which is coming out of the cytone, also consists some cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is known as exoplasm. So this cytoplasm is known as the exoplasm, and the outer layer of the axon is known as exolemma. So this is about the basic structural and functional unit of nervous system, that is neuron.